Hi, hi, vlog. Welcome to the channel. I must to say, I'm going to learn what animals eat.
Ate Shai going to ask you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, just sit down lang. You just answer Ate Shai, okay?
Okay, I'm shy.
So, Anika, what dog eats?
Bones.
Very good. How about the monkey?
Eating bananas.
Eating bananas. Very good. How about the cat?
Eat fish.
Very good. How about the snake?
Eat animals.
Wow. How about the mosquito?
Eat blood.
Wow, eat blood. Like a?
Vampire.
Oh my god.
Scary.
That's scary. How about the butterfly?
Eat flowers.
How about the goat?
Eat leaves.
Yeah, eat leaves or grass. Do you understand?
Yes, Adesai.
Okay. How about the squirrel?
Eat
Wow, galing.
I'm galing.
Oh, how about the frog?
Eat bag.
Galing. How about the lizard?
Eat insect.
Galing. You're so brainy.
About that.
How about the shark?
Eat fishy.
Yeah, eat the big fish, right?
It is
You're so funny. Just sit down lang, sit down.
is bed now.
No, just sit down lang, sit down lang.
Bed now.
You said bed. It's time to bed na? Okay. Anika, I will ask you, what Anika loves to eat?
Spaghetti.
And what do you like to eat?
Spaghetti. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.